Okay, and this one? What is it? And this one? Good.
With all his demons when he talks to the chiropractor. The chiropractor tells him that if you resist death and try to hold on, you'll see devils take your life away. But if you've made your peace, then the devils are really angels, freeing you from the earth. It's just a matter of how you look at it.
I've got tits.
This is him telling Jacob to stop fighting and accept his death.
But the text says, past the time of women, which is an interesting way.
He was trying to keep his frayed life from unraveling. His days are increasingly
The relationship help doctor.
Singer who is trying to keep his frayed life from unraveling.
I think that this attack left him unable to
keep his frayed life from unraveling. His days are increasingly being
They will be the person who says, oh.
Keep his frayed life from unraveling. His days are increasingly being invaded by flashbacks to his first marriage, his now dead son, and his tour of duty.
We're about to radio collar. As you can see, it's a sleepy lynx. So I'm helping out with the anesthesia. A lynx is a cat.
From it, and that is exactly.
Southwest Yukon, working on a lynx that we're about to radio collar. As you can see, it's a sleepy lynx. So I'm helping out with the anesthesia. A lynx is a cat. There are actually a lot of similarities to your own house cat. If you look at some of the claws on this one, you can just see how long the claws are.
Dla przypomnienia, najlepsze czołgi Lorka 40T.
Would you assume someone
Premium. Link w opisie filmu. Zapraszam również na streamy, harmonogram w opisie filmu. Rozdajemy tam również inne czołgi i również konto premium. Zapraszam na film. Witam Was bardzo, bardzo serdecznie z tej strony Bany. Jest prawy dzisiaj, nowy MM będzie testowany i ruszyła linia frontu. Także jeśli
As an 8-year-old kid going, I don't really want to work.
A ja zapraszam Cię do wzięcia udziału w giveaway na czołg premium 8 poziomu i konta premium. Link w opisie filmu. Zapraszam również na streamy, harmonogram w opisie filmu. Rozdajemy tam również inne czołgi i również konto premium. Zapraszam na film. Witam Was bardzo, bardzo serdecznie z tej strony Bany. Dwie sprawy dzisiaj. Nowy MM będzie testowany.
The N-word, swastikas, and demonic symbols were all painted on garages, road signs, and cars.
It's ridiculous and it makes me angry.
Police say the city is now helping one of the victims clean up, whose son just recently passed away. Other victims who did not want to go on camera tell us they're
The world dwells in darkness. The world is darkness.
Story, it talks about how Thomas Edison would take his famous afternoon naps, but it wasn't just that he was napping. He would hold a metal ball in his hand and there'd be a metal plate on the ground and he would drift into sleep, and as he did, his hand would drop, the ball would hit the plate, it would jolt him awake, and he'd have an insight or eureka moment. Now what was going on there was Edison was hacking, accessing theta levels of mind. That's what you go into when you're napping, to spark ideas and intuition. Edison, of course, had something like 1,300 patents to his name.
You speak
now,
very
anyone
well,
can do this.
face.
Anyone can learn to get to waking theta frequencies to access
Thomas
information,
Edison,
and this is now
right,
being studied by labs across the United States.
5:15.
Try to kind of flatten the
hushed
surface
face.
A baby. You are gonna have that baby. I know, it's funny,
out there. So we all have the same problem. We have to deal with dried out pomades. Now, a dried out pomade is a pain in the butt because it's way harder to apply, it takes longer, and the results aren't as good. Sometimes
Reddit. This goes hand in hand with what you're saying. It's
XXXXXXX.
No, it's different, but it doesn't mean they.
So you tried to be up.
I remember doing something similar back when I was first playing Cal in 1.6. We were playing against a team we practiced with. I remember doing something.
We just wanted to.
I liked the twists and turns.
I really hope the discuss.
Some companion and tons of other stuff. We're going to be talking about Star Trek Discovery, Episode 7, Season 2, Light and
Skyward.
It's working.
That tore in big red 2-ton folding shop crane and put
Marks of your Space Command in the Twilight. Tons of other stuff. Some companion and tons of other stuff. We're going to be talking today about Star Trek Discovery, Episode 7.
Hello.
2, Light.
What's your name? Hey, I'm talking to you. Come here.